We're doing a cold start in the 300 SD and running on 100% biodiesel here, so we'll see. It's pretty cold out, and luckily it's canola oil as the feedstock, so that has the lowest gelling point, so it should work. I think we're gonna glow it twice though, because it's right in the low 30s, so we're kind of at the limit still of even the canola biodiesel. If we had soybean or especially animal fat based biodiesel, we'd be kind of screwed, but let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Oil pressure, awesome. That was not bad. Okay.